Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you one most exciting and right apps that is related to privacy. Means if you want to keep some photos, videos which only you can see, not other than you, not anybody other than you can able to see that video. So I am here with that app. There are many apps available. I found this app very useful and I am using that. So just not wasting much of your time. The people who are new to here, please consider to subscribe this channel if they like this video. So just coming to the app, just go to the Play Store and here search Clock Vault. Just write here clock and vault. Just now this tap here, install it. It is installing. It has been installed, and now just open it. Tap it here. As soon as it is opening, let's start. Now it will ask that set time as a password and press enter button of that. First set any time which you have to remember. Suppose 225. Then tap on. Now it is telling to reconfirm that. Just again I have entered 225. Now password is set to 0 to 25 time. Now in case you have forgot your clock password, just set that to 1010, and then there are many questions. You can choose any questions, answer, and password recovery, then finish setup. Then some ad will open, and then you have to just close it. Now here is all is set. Just add your file you want to keep secret. Import. I am showing to import by importing some photos. Suppose import photo, it will ask for some permission. Just go. Suppose you want to this photo. Suppose you want to, and suppose this. Move to wallet. I want to keep it in pictures. Delete from. It is asking that you want this photo in public gallery or not. Means that gallery which is accessible to everybody. If you want to keep that photo there too, it is asking. But definitely you will not wanting that because you are moving into the private place. Allow. Now this photo has been deleted from the main gallery and it has been imported here. Now you can see, you can add videos, other files to this place. So you can privately browse also in this. So this is all about the maintaining your privacy. So guys, if you like this app, if you like the way of explanation, and if this has helped you a little bit, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.